Well, hello everyone, I'm Vink. I'm back with another makeup tutorial after some time. And today's makeup is inspired by K-pop girl groups. Without any further ado, let's get started! Okay, so I put on my contact lenses and I washed my face too using Cosrx Morning Gel Cleanser. So before starting, I'm gonna secure my hair using hair claw clips. Okay, one is not enough, I guess. First, I'm using toner from Innisfree to prep the skin. And after applying toner, usually just leave it for 1 minute to let it absorb into my skin. And I tend to have dry lips, so I also like to apply lip balm before putting on lipstick to let it stay moisturized all the time. To cover the eye circles, I will apply a red lipstick under my eyes. Well, it might sound weird, but next, I will apply concealer on top of the red lipstick. Don't forget to blend the concealer using a sponge. Now my dark eye circles are well covered. As for the base, I'm using foundation from Maybelline. I like to pour out the foundation on my hands so I can control how much amount of the foundation, cause you don't want a heavy cakey look, right? And sadly, the foundation doesn't come with an applicator. And yeah, usually just apply it with my hands. Next, dab the foundation on the center of your forehead, under your eyes, and on your nose and your chin, of course. And yes, I like to brush my eyebrows before drawing my eyebrows. I'm using a dark brown color eyebrow pencil from the Body Shop. And I will draw a straight eyebrows because I want it to look more Korean. Well, I personally like this eyebrow pencil so much because it comes with an eyebrow powder and also an eyebrow mascara, so it's convenient enough to just bring this eyebrow pencil with me when I go out. Yay! This is the eye look! As for the eyeshadow, I'm using FOCALLURE Your Favor's 18 eyeshadow palette number 2 neutral. Start by taking the wine color eyeshadow and apply it all over the lid. It may look like you are being punched by somebody, but rest assured, the result won't look like that though. Now I'm using Beauty Glazed Perfixt eyeshadow. Taking the raw color eyeshadow, applied it to deepen the inner and outer corners of your eyes.
So mine went out of sight.
Next, use a shimmering eyeshadow to apply a little bit to the middle of the eyes so it will look sparkling.
Looking through your eyes, now you're just take, but when I hold this might have gold.
Using the previous eyebrow pencil to draw a line silkworm, or as known as eagle style, just like how I did in the video. draw a winged eyeliner. I got this eyeliner from my mom, so I didn't know the brand of it.
You see the light that I see. So lost in
Okay, the eyeliner is going to run out, so I'll just use another eyeliner from Etude House then.
And I kept on wishing the day you're not around.
Apply the Perfixt wine color eyeshadow from the outer to the middle of your eyes.
It's so profane. How do I stay?
Take the crystal color eyeshadow and apply a little bit of it from the inner to the middle of your eyes. You can also use a highlighter too if you don't want to buy a new eyeshadow palette. Use the Perfixt eyebrow pencil to deepen your egg style.
You up this close. Still I don't know if I can warm your heart of stone.
Well, it's time to curl your eyelashes.
Blue in color, the realest scene. Do you see?
Okay, I'm using mascara from Maybelline.
That I see. So lost in nature, I found a way without frowning much. And I kept on
Well, I noticed my right eyeshadow wasn't the same as the left one, so I'm gonna do a little bit of touch up.
so lost
And my
in
eyebrow
nature,
wasn't
I
asymmetrical,
found a
so
way without
yeah.
frowning much. And I kept on wishing that
As for the blush on, I'm using pink color blush on from Madame G.
not around.
As I like matte finishing, so I will use a powder from FOCALLURE. If you want a matte finish, you can just use any of the pink lipsticks you have, but here I am using Peripera Ink Velvet 18 Natural Pink, and then I will layer it with Peripera Ink Lacquer for soft rose fix. Last, using 3CE Magic Touch Face Maker to contour and highlight nose bridge. Okay, this is the live version K-pop inspired makeup tutorial. Now move on to the bold version. You can use any of the red lipstick you have, but I'm using a dark red lipstick from Makeover, and usually you just dab it and then blend it with my fingers. Well, this is super optional, but I like to draw a fake mole using a calligraphy pen to look sexier, I think. No? Okay. Voila! This is the bold version. Okay, so this is the end of today's makeup video. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with how it turns out. Just a little bit disappointed because I was gonna do a light and bold K-pop idol makeup tutorial, but it turns out like a vampire. Don't you think so? Maybe because I put too much red color eyeshadow. Yeah. So maybe I will call this K-pop idol vampire look. or Korean vampire look. Yeah, of course you can wear this makeup for Halloween, even though Halloween's still in the upcoming October, but you can wear this makeup when you go clubbing also. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like it, please leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Halo semuanya. Halo semuanya. Halo 大家好。Hi everyone.